Even if you're making less than $10,000 a month on Amazon, business insurance is still a smart move. It protects your store, your finances, and your future growth. And yes, you can get it even as a brand new seller. What you're looking for is general liability insurance with product liability included. That means if something you sell causes damage or injury, you're not paying out of pocket. Some sellers think this is only for six-figure stores, but that's a myth. Head over to Next Insurance, use the link in the description, and click Get a Quote. Choose your business type, usually online retail or e-commerce. Even if you're just starting out, they'll give you a quote based on your protection revenue. The whole thing takes about 5 to 10 minutes.